In this video, I will show you how to view .files in Namecheap account. So let's get started with the video. Once you log into Namecheap account, you need to click Hosting List on the left side of the screen. Next, click this cPanel button to enter the cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, enter File Manager section. And in public HTML directory, you can find all the website files. In a website directory, the .files are hidden by default. To view the .files, you need to click the Settings tab in the top right of the screen. And again, in the pop-up window, select Show Hidden Files. And update the changes made in the pop-up. And done. .files can be seen here in the website's main directory. These .files contains very important settings with sensitive and private information. If they are accidentally deleted, they can break website normal functionality. Again, to hide the .files, you need to again click the Settings tab in the top. And again uncheck this box and save the changes made. And done, the .files are again hidden in Namecheap cPanel hosting account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.